this video, I will show you how to rename a file using the terminal in Ubuntu. First, we need to open the terminal. You can do that by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard. This will open a black window where we can type commands. To rename a file, we use a simple command called mv. The mv command stands for move, but it can also be used to rename files. The format of the command is like this. Type mv, then the old file name, then the new file name. For example, if you have a file called notes.txt and you want to rename it to todo.txt, you would type this command. mv notes.txt todo.txt. After typing the command, press Enter. Your file will now have the new name. That is how you rename any file in Ubuntu using the terminal. It is fast, easy, and works with all kinds of files. Thank you for watching.